Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the prestigious Landed Home series by AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance 7772. Today, we have truly something special for you. You've been searching for a spacious, well-located home in the heart of Singapore core central region. Introducing Mount Rosie Collection.
Welcome to 23 Mount Rosie Road, an architectural masterpiece in the heart of District 11. This freehold ultra-luxurious development sits on an elevated land, offering stunning views, privacy, and one of the most exclusive address in Singapore. This corner terrace has one of the largest land size and built-up area, marrying the most attractive PSF in the central core region. There is also a brand new detached and the inter-terrace for your consideration.
What makes this home truly special is not just its commanding presence, but also its front-facing views of Singapore's black and white conservation houses along Malcolm Road, a historical gem rarely found in prime residential enclaves.
23 Mount Rosie Road sits on a land size of 3741 square feet and build-up area of 9042 square feet, comes with a basement, living and lift to every levels. There is also 5 bedrooms en suites up to the 4th level, with architectural focus on elevated spacious living with an open concept patio.
Step inside and you are immediately greeted by expansive living areas and a seamless flow of natural light overlooking the lush greenery. Every inch of this home has been thoughtfully designed with timeless elegance. From high ceiling to carefully curated materials, this home is built to impress.
Now let's talk about something truly rare. This home has private parking for up to 12 cars. Whether you own a fleet of supercars or just love entertaining, this space is an absolute dream. The sheer scale of this garage rivals even some of Singapore's good class bungalows.
This isn't just a home, it's an experience. The fully equipped gourmet kitchen features imported European appliances, slate countertops, and custom-built cabinetries. This dining space blends functionality with sophistication, perfect for intimate family dinners.
Now let's head to the crown jewel of this home, the master suite. The master suite is designed as a retreat, featuring a spacious layout, floor-to-ceiling windows, and a breathtaking view over the lush greenery.
This spa-like bathroom rivals any 5-star hotels, luxurious marble finishing, a deep soaking tub, and the designer fixtures complete the ultimate relaxation space. And of course, a home like this wouldn't be complete without a stunning walk-in wardrobe, perfect for displaying your finest collection.
The Junior Suite offers similar level of sophistication with its own ensuite bathroom and expansive windows, ideal for multi-generational living or hosting guests in style. Mount Rosie is more than a home, it's a statement, a rare elevated estate with unparalleled space, privacy and luxury.
A location steeped in history, yet built for modern luxury living, 23 Mount Rosie offer unparalleled convenience. Within 1 kilometer, you will find top schools like Anglo-Chinese School, Granby and Parker, and Singapore Chinese Girls' School, perfect for young families. For daily essentials, you have minutes from Velocity at Novena, United Squares, and Orchard Road luxurious shopping belt. With medical care like Mount Elizabeth Novena and Tan Tock Seng hospitals are just around the corner. With easy access to Newton and Novena MRT, getting anywhere in Singapore is a breeze.
With parking for 12 cars, breathtaking views, and top-tier finishes, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. If you want to learn more or schedule a viewing, reach out to Sharon at 9277 772 at OrangeTee AAG Landed 772. This is a dream home that you've been searching for. AAG Landed 772,
Your compass for landed properties.